The Simpsons predicted the future with eerie precision, Part 2. Horsemeade Scandal, predicted in 1994. Episode S5E19, Sweet Seymour Skinner's Badass Song. A full 19 years before it was revealed that some beef sold in Europe had been contaminated with horse meat, The Simpsons made a joke about Lunch Lady Doris cooking with assorted horse parks, now with more testicles. On a side note, Lunch Lady Doris is now Lunch Lady Dora, a name change facilitated when the character's original voice actor Doris Grau died in 1995. Faulty voting machines, predicted in 2008. Episode S20E4, Treehouse of Horror XIX. In the 2008 Halloween special, Homer tries to vote for Barack Obama at electronic votes both, but the machine malfunctions, casting a vote for his rival John McCain instead. Just 4 years later, a Pennsylvania voting machine was taken out of service when it was filmed casting votes intended for Obama in favor of his real-life rival Mitt Romney. FIFA Scandal, predicted in 2014. Episode S25E16, You Don't Have to Live Like a Referee. A year before the football world was turned upside, when a series of high-ranking FIFA officials were arrested by the FBI on charges of corruption, a similar thing played out in this 2014 episode of The Simpsons. Homer is visited by the executive vice president of the World Football Federation, who wants him to be a referee in the upcoming World Cup. He's promptly arrested by American authorities for corruption and carted off. The episode even predicted Germany as the winners of that year's tournament. 9/11, predicted in 1997. Episode S9E1, The City of New York vs. Homer Simpsons. You're deep into the conspiracy theory rabbit hole if you think this one is even vaguely feasible, but here we go anyway. A YouTube video from user Truth Will Find You Out points to a moment in the 1997 series 9 opener that sees Lisa holding up a bus coupon ad that promises New York tickets for $9. The placement of the price next to the Big Apple skyline, including the World Trade Center, makes the ad read New York 9/11, which they suggest means the show's makers had foreknowledge of the attacks. 2016 Nobel Prize winner. Episode S22E1, Elementary School Musical. In the 2010 season opener, Lisa, Milhouse, and a bunch of her nerdy friends have stayed up late to hear the winners of the Nobel Prize, in which Krusty wins the Nobel Peace Prize. So far, so Simpsons, but then we get a look at Martin's betting pool card and we see Milhouse had predicted an economics prize for Bengt R. Holmstrom, who actually went on to win an earlier this year. Mitz Holmstrom was joint winner of the 2016 Nobel Prize in Economics with Oliver Hart for their work on contact theory. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.